PMS, no entry.
All right. Hello, YouTube. What's going on, family? Okay, aha. So, why do I just keep saying It's all good. So the thing is, you know, was it not yesterday I was actually teaching you guys about flip zone, right? And yes, you remember you should have your break of market structure. You should have an order block that failed, right? And then the reaction, then a breakout, right? And then you have your entry here and your TP here, your stop loss here, right? The same thing for a bullish order block, right? Having your order block fail, and before it fail, you should react first. And it is the reaction you should trade off from, right? So it was just so intentional that today I had to, trade the flip thingy. You understand? Because uh yesterday when I was giving you guys an example, I was just doing it randomly because it wasn't really something I actually prepared for. But then so I'm coming now for with a good presentable um example, right? For the flip zone. So, but if you've not watched the first video, please just check my first video on flip zone. That's flip zone simplified. Yeah, more like understanding flip zone. Yeah. So just check that video first, right? And then you would see, okay, this is what I have. So this is the live chart or live example on how to trade a flip zone. Okay, on the norms, right? I should have my let me take this, let me get rid of this. I had my order block on the 15-minute time frame. You can see, right? First of all, I have what they pushed the upside, right? And also this liquidity that's from here to this point, right? That needs to be taken out, right? Okay. And I have this tiny imbalance, right? Okay, and also this nice indecision candle, right? Okay, in my next video, I'll teach you what this indecision candle does. Okay, so and now we've had what this other block failed because I actually wanted to what trade off this zone. Because if you see, if you come to my chart, if you come to my signal room, yeah, okay. So first of all, I wasn't with my phone. Yeah, I wasn't with my laptop, rather. I wasn't at home. I was just trading off. I was just sending chats with my phone, and this was the chart here. Okay, see. So this was the buy or signal we wanted to trade off from, right? Okay, and see the time here, 10 a.m. Okay, and I sent it, and then see we got stopped out. Like it actually gave us decent profits at first, and boom, I saw SL it, and immediately I know what this flip zone could do, right? I was like, okay, instead of me just staying back or trying to just chillax more, let me just continue the push to the downside because of the nice order block, right? That's every criteria to what. Because first of all, we have this indecision candle. Second, we have this imbalance that needs to be filled. Um, what am I saying? First, indecision candle. Second, the imbalance. Third, it broke structure to the upside. Fourth, we have this liquidity that needs to be taken out. Fifth, normally we know that whenever price breaks down, right, it gets to break above the Asian range. Okay, and I'll also send a video about understanding Asian range strategy. Yeah, okay, and now the fifth thing is what the market now give us. Market now stop us out. Okay, after stopping us out, right? This was what I just did. Immediately, I went to my 5-minute time frame and I had this. Okay. So I saw that the price was actually reacting. Okay. So on the norms, if you're meant to trade or if you're meant to look for good zones, honestly, You guys would call this one liquidity, isn't it? You would have called this one liquidity, right? Okay, and then try to what? Short from this guy here. See this guy. This guy can be valid, right? But to me, I don't even think price would even come to that side at that moment or for that day. Let's say for today, right? I didn't even think about it. I saw it. Yes, it did break structure, right? To the downside. And people will call this one liquidity. But what did I do? I just know that, okay, this push to the upside that broke that this zone, right? Actually made sure that this guy here, the demand zone fails, right? See? And immediately I just sent the chart, see, with my phone. I sent the signal to the group immediately and I sent what this is how I sent my thing. Okay, give you the entry, the TP, and the SL. Okay, and so okay, no. Okay, so immediately I set my order limit. This has good potential, right? Why? Because it is what discounted. It is premium rather. This is a premium zone and it has imbalances that needs to be filled, right? But this is what I traded off from and not this one. Why? Because of the understanding of flip zone. So it's I told you guys that I do see this thing almost every day in the market. And this thing, and it's as if other block is no more working. Not like other block don't work, right? And some people can even call this their other block. Why? Because it did break structure, right? And it's more like the last candle. Yeah, I used the last candle before the push to the downside, right? Yes, but it is a flip for me. So this was now the demand to supply flip demand that became a supply zone, right? And this was the zone I traded off from. Remember that example I gave on AED card. Uh, why would I use the word remember? Because I don't know if you guys have watched the video, but it's all good, right? My previous video. So please just go check it out, right? So, and this is what I traded off. And yes, whatever trade I send to the group, I make sure I place it. Okay, and see. I just came in, gave us the TP, and that was it. Easy peasy. You see, this price did not still go to this guy here, right? Then rather, if I was to trade or have a second entry on this, I would have chosen this fractal entry on this guy, right? And maybe why am I choosing that? Because what price reacted from this demand zone. You see this one here, first of all, one. So this is how I do my things, and see it did broke structure to the downside, right? It tapped into the zone, came down, and this should be the next zone, not all these ones here, because this one I mitigated already. Because um, if you check this candle here, you will definitely see maybe a 1 minute candlestick. This week, you will definitely see a 1 minute candlestick. But whichever way, this is how I just do my thing. Okay, I'm so glad that I could show you guys a good example. And if you see, I had people that smash this and some people haven't sent they haven't flexed their result here, but this is one result here. Okay, and this is another one here. So we just add a 6 RR on this trade. Okay, what else? I that's pretty much what is behind this knowledge of flip zone thing. So let me go. Okay, let me just also add this also because it's so good that we also smashed UC. So where is UC? Okay, this was where I post the UC. Okay, so also we had UC, right? Where is it? Where are you? You cut. So as you can see on the norms, I wanted to short USD card. Okay, I wanted to short USD card. even for the fact that it has given us change of character one time here. We had SL1, gave us another change of character again. See, still in this zone, right? We had what? 2 SL8 on just trying to short record. But also like it's of no use anymore trying to short record when it just keep giving you change of character without doing anything. Cool. You understand me? And I made sure that okay, I was going to look for a good flip zone for this guy here, right? As you can see. Okay, where are you? Okay, just give me a second, so I'll get the chat because I was just doing the stuff randomly. Let me see. All right. Okay, so I gave a scenario for I gave an example for what for the buy for the sell side uh, um um I gave an example for the bearish flip zone, right? Okay, for demand that became supply. Okay, yeah. So now this one would be the supply to demand flip. Okay, let me just toggle through my time frame and show us something. Okay, all right. So first of all, we have what the break to the downside, right? That we assumed it was our flip, our change of character. Okay, and also you can see there is this zone here. One, there is this zone here. Okay, and there is still one here. If you check in the 1 minute time frame or 30 seconds or so, yeah. So this one was what was the supply zone, right? It was okay. Let's just say it is assumed the supply zone, right? Okay, and then price what price went to this zone here and what reacted. I need to see this thing well because just give me a second. Okay, this is it. You can see. So price tap into this zone here and reacted, right? After reacting, then price now broke above the zone. See, giving us stop loss. First of all, yeah. So if I was trying to what short from here, I would have had what SL it easily on this one. Okay. And then you can see once price just break above, first of all, I notice the nice order flow. You can see break on market structure, tap to the zone, and then went up. Then come into this same zone again, to this new zone it created, and then went up. Abi. So immediately, and I saw a good what is supply to demand flip, supply to demand flip, right? So this was the zone we created, and it was on the 5 minutes I saw that zone we just traded off from. Okay, you see. So me, I use a fractal entry for this guy. See, I just use from this week to this week, and definitely this one here is a lower time frame, that is lower than this 5 minutes, right? There should be a candle here. So this is what I traded off from. And if you see, so once immediately price reacted and then break above, right? So I just make sure that we had our entry here and our TP just right here. I did not want to hold anything. And if you see this trade, this is a okay. This is just 8 hour. Why am I calling it eight? Just well, because I do go for huge most times, but whichever way, this is good because I do not want to really stress anything this week. Because I'm just so concentrated on how to make videos on YouTube and how to make the thumbnails and or how to even do some editing. So I'm new to it, but it's all good. The main thing is that the education, yeah, I'm passing it, and that's the only thing that gives me more joy. Okay, and if you see, uh, I sent the chart here. I just used my phone. So I did not really show them the supply to demand flip though, but it's a good example too. So, but this is just a good order flow movement. But whichever way, we smash this one also. And as you can see, the same thing. So see what I said here. Since price has broken above my supply zone, now it's to look for a long bias, and that was what we did immediately. So I sent the chart and boom, we had this. Just a very sniper entry. And yes, if you did not, if you don't use a raw spread account, you won't have had this entry, honestly. So please check the link. I'll always post the link in the description of this video. You would see the broker I use. I use Xness Hot Spread broker. And please, guys, subscribe to my channel. Come on, subscribe to my channel, like, comment, just make this channel um lively. And definitely I'll keep on posting things for you guys. I have the time. I'm a full-time trader. I have the time to do these things, you understand me? But you need to, give back. You know, the fact that I'm passing this knowledge, I need you guys to, keep on supporting me. And happy, I'm happy my YouTube, my Telegram, my Instagram, and my Telegram channel is growing also. So everything, the link is in my bio. Not my bio, because I just put the YouTube link in my bio for now. But now you can just get every link in my description. Yeah, in the description of this video, I'll put it. And yeah, I did not, okay, I didn't reply yet. So this guy was okay. Good day, bro. Nice one on your flip zone video. Thank you so much. Yeah, you can just write this thing in the YouTube channel. God bless you, man. Thanks, man. Okay, so I love saying things like this, and it really helps me go more. Yeah, thank you for 11.2K followers. We bless God. All right. I think I should wrap up this video now. It's already becoming a play. Take care, everyone.